Good evening and welcome to my today's video. Today I'm here because I wanna give you an update about Forex Robot and all the news that we have in other channels. Let's talk about the big, huge movements that are having in the major and during those days. The first one has been affected has been the Euro USD. We had a very big movement and high movement. And then after that we had today drawdown with the GBP US dollar and very big movement in the market, very high volatility. This caused a little bit of problems trading. That's why in our channel we decided to not trade today. And but I want to show you all the same what is happening with other trading instruments. Okay, so here we are. We had a very small loss yesterday, but it's very good today because now we're having a softer version of this robot, because the other one it is more it's made for bigger accounts. That's why here I am trading. I risked but I get it, as you can see. And this version is good also for accounts such as $3,000 or $2,000, and it has to work with just one pair. In this case, I was by mistake. I opened. I put another cross because it wasn't a mistake, but I wanted to change from GBP to Canadian JPY because I think it's less volatile. But by mistake, I started with 0.10, which is a little bit too much, but it's behaving very well. So let's go on this way and let's see. It should work with only one pair, of course. And I wanna say you this: my client, which already has the stronger version of this robot, please contact me because I will send you for free, of course, also this softer version, which is more the best solution for a smaller account. Okay, and I will show you how it behaves in bigger account, the million one. So we are talking about the same product but with another setting. So this setting is very important. And okay, this is the today profits in the big accounts. It's not a big profit today. Customer period. Okay, it's respectable but not so huge. But if we go and check, for example, what it made, since yesterday, it was 6 February. Let's go. As you can see, it made a huge profit yesterday. Huge profit, guys. And I think it is very good. Today it has a drawdown. This is good for big accounts, guys. Almost 100,000 with the settings would be good, and it can give you something like $25,000 a week. What we are seeing. So, for example, with the $100,000 account, you can double your account in 1 month for how it is behaving during this test. It is very interesting for big investors. And also want to show you about a small loss that we had today, because this is the one robot that we were using since last week, that was so good, so amazing, but it couldn't afford the big huge movements that we had in the market in those days with GBP USD, and also those are all mayors and the more affected from everything. So we had a little loss, and I decided that this is not good in case of small accounts, as they suggest us. They suggest us to use this in $1,000 account. I don't think it is good because when it takes, it wasn't this, okay, it was a mistake, but it wasn't this. You saw this, but it wasn't. I can assure you. I can say that it is not good for small accounts, also because it works in 4 pairs, and it was so good. I'm sorry, but we had the software version of the bigger, which is working very well, very fine, smoothly, even in the smaller account as we saw. But we have a new. This is a very different product. This only works with Euro CHF. We will need an SCN account, so not a market maker. And this is interesting. I like it, and I decided to buy it in a few days when I already made a bank wire. When it will arrive, I will open a live account with this because I like it so much. This is a very big potential because this is good also for $100 account, which will grow with patience. And I have seen videos and backtests who showed me that this product is good to turn $100 in over $1 million in 1 year. So this is very interesting. It is not a cheap robot. This is an expensive robot. Please email me if you are interested to know something more about this. With this balance, I can set it very double more aggressive than this, because I have seen all the instructions, and I will do this. I will change the settings. But guys, it is very good. I like it so much, and I am going to test it with a live account as soon as the money arrives on my bank account, which I made the wire to make the deposit, because it's not FBS is not ACN account. So I'm working also with other two brokers which are very good. I thank you for your attention. Big kiss. To the next. Thank you.